right, let's check in on your markets, kicking things with the JSE. Now, local markets are getting a mixed handover from Asia, and that somewhat filtering through to the JSE. Resources still under pressure. This as gold continues to pull back. We are seeing the resources 10 complex down close to 1%. However, the financial 15 trading in the green, gaining 0.8%, and the industrial 25 up over a quarter of a percent, and that boosting the all share. While it is pretty flat, it's just made it into the green by the close, up 0.05%. Let's move over to what's playing out in the US. Now, we saw the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq hit intraday record highs today after the US Central Bank delivered a quarter-point interest rate cut, while chipmaker Intel climbed after Nvidia decided to build a stake in the company. And with that, we are seeing the Nasdaq leading the gains on that front, up over 1%, followed by gains in the S&P 500, up 0.6%. Also in the green is the Dow Jones, up 0.33%. Let's move over to what's playing out in Europe. Across the Atlantic, stocks were also in the green. In the UK, we saw the Bank of England hit pause on rates as consumer prices are almost double its 2% target. With that, the FTSE 100, that is, gaining 0.1%. The DAX leading the gains on that front, up over 1%. And the CAC 40 gaining just over 0.75%. Now let's move over to the currency front, kicking things off with the rand. We are seeing some strength coming through when it comes to the rand against the major global currency pairs. This, of course, comes after that SARB rates move where policymakers decided to keep rates unchanged. The dollar to the rand is sitting at 17.34, the pound to the rand at 23.51, and the euro to the rand at 20.44. And let's take a look at your other currency pairs. The euro to the dollar trending stronger at 1.17, the pound to the dollar at 1.35, and the dollar to the yen trending weaker, close to 148.